Okay, now, questions 16, 17, and 18, when you get on your test and it says percent equation, that's going to mean is equals your percent decimal of. You guys are pros at doing is over of, percents over 100, cross products. That's the easiest way to set them up. That's fast, quick, it works. They want us to know a second technique because high school usually uses equations way more than proportions. So now, 100 is 100 equals 20%. 20% will be my percent decimal, 0.20 x. That's perfectly set up. Now, as long as you can show me your work, I'll let you double check everything with a calculator. If I have x right here, who wants to raise their hand and tell me what do I divide each side to get x by itself? What do I divide each side by to get x by itself? Ellie? 0.20. Now I need somebody with a calculator handy. 100 divided by 0.20. I know, first of all, 100 divided by 20 is going to be 5, but that decimal is going to totally change it. Marissa, what do you get? 500. Now go back, read the question, see if it makes sense. If I get 100, 100 is 20% of 500. 100, 20% of 500. Sounds good. It worked. Question number 17. 66 is what percent of 600? Is goes up front. 66 equals of 600. 600 goes on the end. My x technically goes second. Now, I'm going to be calculating the percent this time. Your answer is probably going to be a decimal. You're going to have to convert a decimal in your head. Slide 2 spots to the right. What do I divide each side by to get x by itself? We're getting very good at equations. That's our purpose in 7th grade. Get great at equations. Nico, how much? 600. Okay. Who wants to tell me what my decimal is? 66 divided by 600. 66 divided by 600. Robert. 0.11. 0.11? Is it like a repeating bar? Does it keep going and going and going and going and going? No. Or is it just 0.11? Is that what you got too? I get 0.11. Now, that's a decimal. They asked me for a percent. Who in here can convert a decimal to a percent? We did like 40 of them that day. It's like the world's easiest trick and idea. Logan. 11%. Okay, let's go back. Double check. You do all the work, equations, see if it makes sense. 66 is 11% of 600. Well, if I said 10%, it would be 60. So that's good. 11% is a little higher. It works. What is 79% of 59? These ones are the coolest ones. 0.79 is my percent decimal of 59. Okay, this one's set up just to solve instantly. 0.79 times 59. 0.79 times 59. Who's got my answer for 0.79 times 59? Need a calculator handy. I can't somebody I haven't talked to, hopefully. Then again, I don't think I got that many with a calculator. Marissa, what do you get? 46.61? Perfect. 46.61 is Robert had the same exact thing. On these, copy down in your notes, highlight it really well. Is equals your percent decimal of. You're going to convert all your percentages. 75% becomes 0.75. And then it's a simple equation. Find where x is, divide out whatever's by x. Those shouldn't be that hard to do.